Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel, and I hope you are getting all what we have discussed in the videos. So I hope you are getting and you're understanding everything. So let's continue with the identification. So in the previous videos we have discussed about so many plans, and in the previous one, the recent one, we have discussed about belladonna lily and what bird of paradise, and even its cultivation, कैसे उसको मतलब आपको केयर करना है, how you have to take care of it, देखभाल कैसे करना है, and how to feed fertilizer and all, right? So and then even about one more thing, one more we discussed, that was coral berry or Christmas berries. So today we will learn more. Firstly, we'll discuss in this slide. It will. You can see here the name. The common name is what? Flamingo. Flamingo flower plant, and the botanical name is Anthurium scarserianum, and the family is Araceae. एक बार मैंने एक क्लास में जब हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास किए थे तो मैंने इस प्लान के बारे में मेंशन किया था, especially related to one what I'll say pass out student, right? There was one student, जैसे ही pass out हुई फिर in the northeast, because in the northeast also Anthurium is grown widely, like बहुत growth होता है इसका. So I think I have given you some example and I told you about this girl, और उसके बाद उनका लैंड है और उस लैंड में उन्होंने ये प्लांटेशन किया था एंथुरियम का, और इतना अच्छा मतलब ग्रोथ हुआ था एंथुरियम का. सो शी इवन डिड एक्सपोर्ट ऑल्सो, शी एक्सपोर्ट टू अनदर स्टेट स्पेशली इन दिल्ली. सो ये वाला मेंशन किया था. एंड इवन some of the students, they come for research करने के लिए भी आते हैं, alright, in that place. I guess it's in northeast in Nagaland. So let's know more about it. So और इसको जो ये plan है, like it has gained a Royal Horticultural Society award also. इसको award भी मिला है, like this plan, alright. It has gained, especially like actually जो species है Anthurium का, that is this one, Anthurium scarserianum, because there are so many species. ये एक species नहीं है, बहुत सारा है. So इनमें से ये है जिसको मतलब like which they have considered it in the Royal Horticulture Society as a what? As a ornamental house plant, alright, as a house plant which is kept under which degree? 15, okay, 15 degree Celsius, or even higher than that but not lower than that, alright. So और ये जो एंथुरियम है कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होता है? इट इज़ ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिकल अमेरिका. ठीक है, और ये ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ होता है इसका, ऑलराइट. इन नीड अ ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट, ऑलराइट. एंड देन जो फ्लावर है, द फ्लावर्स ऑफ दिस लवली प्लांट, इट हैव लॉन्ग 6 week वास्ट लाइफ. 6 हफ्तों तक ये मतलब इट कैन सर्वाइव, ओके. द फ्लावर इट वोंट विदर, मुरझाएगा नहीं, ओके, 6 week तक. सो इट इज़ अ गुड प्लांट, ऑलराइट, इन ट्रॉपिकल रीजन. और ये जो स्पीशीज़ है, इट्स ऑल्सो हेर्बेशियस एपीफाइट, मतलब वाइल्ड, इट्स वाइल्ड ऑल्सो, ओके. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ग्रोन ऑन ट्रीज, जैसे कि ऑर्किड, ओके. ऑर्किड जैसे ट्रीज में, स्पेशली इन द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन, ट्रीज में ऑर्किड लाइक इट यूज टू ग्रो, ऑलराइट. सो even here also, okay, if you don't know then you can check from the net also how orchid they grow in trees, right? So this anthurium, जो Anthurium scarserianum है, it's one of the species of 800 type of Anthurium. कितने types हैं Anthurium के? Almost 800, 800 के. उनमें से ये special variety है that people plant it in their house, alright. And like even there are some species जो originate करते हैं this one northern Argentina or even Mexico also, okay. And then it's commonly known, like I said, flamingo flower plant, right. और इसके जो leaves है, if you see, they are very highly ornamental, okay, and it's like very like colorful, and also you can see the picture also. So, and the color, there are so many here, so I put white and red color, okay, but there are other colors also like pink, orange, alright. And it usually bloom, इसका blooming कब होता है? Usually bloom from spring through the summer तक, okay. So, and then जो stem है इसके, जो height है, it's 12 to 28 inches tall, okay. And then plants like जो plants है with bigger spaces या फिर like bigger like you can see the red color, right? If that is bigger than the stem, it will be longer, okay. So this was a little bit of anthurium, okay. And yeah, anthurium is also, it's toxic, okay, both in leaves, stem and sap. So this plant should be enjoyed only for its beauty, बस इसकी मतलब like beautiful colors and all, because of the beauty only इसको enjoy कर सकते हो, but keep it away from small children and animals, okay? बच्चों से और even जो आपके pets हैं, okay, animals like dogs, and also keep it away from them because it's toxic. ये मतलब stomach problem हो सकता है अगर digest किया तो, okay. And then even skin irritation भी हो सकता है, like allergy type, alright. So just keep it away, it's a bit toxic, so just enjoy the beauty only, that's it. And yeah, and even if you want to put fertilizer also, तो ये जो anthurium है, anthurium scherzerianum, it prefer what soil? Organic soil, okay. Organic soil जो retain करे पानी को, okay, which retain the water and even drain quickly, okay. So it should be drained, जो soil है जैसे ही पानी डालोगे, so वो जो soil है, okay, वो वैसा soil होना चाहिए जो easily drain हो, okay, जो पानी है वो easily drain हो ताकि root rot ना हो, right, the stem it won't get rotten. So मतलब जो आपके जो मतलब जो प्लांट का जो जड़ें है वो नहीं सरेगा, okay. So yeah, and then when you plant also, don't plant in a deep like 5 centimeter deep नहीं, okay, but above that you can plant, alright. And then you have to water very nicely, or even like mulch, you can mulch it, like mulching, you can do mulching also with what? With coconut husk, okay, with the coconut husk, or even semi rotted wood, okay, to keep the soil moist, okay. So mulching भी you can do to keep to retain the moisture of the soil. So this was about anthurium in the indoor, like as an indoor plant, okay. Now we'll discuss about the next. Now we'll discuss about the next plant. Like you can see the color, it's very very beautiful. And this plant, the name of this plant is what? The common name is eternal flame plant, and the botanical name is Calathea crocata, और जो इसका फैमिली है वो है Maranthaceae, right. So let's know more about this plant. So why the name is Calathea crocata or eternal flame plant? It's because of the yellow color flower, okay. इसके कलर के वजह से, जो फ्लावर का कलर है उसके वजह से इसको eternal flame बोला जाता है, okay, which make a colorful and exotic addition to your home, okay. it will make your house very nice, very beautiful, especially if you put it like, it's mostly like जो मैंने अभी मतलब mention किया है, it's potted plant. Okay, all you use it as a potted plant. So if you use it as a potted plant and then you put it in your house, it will be very very beautiful. Alright. So और इसका जो native है, it's native, it's to Brazil and tropical America. Yeah. And due to environmental damage, it is hard to find in the wild nowadays. मतलब even it grows wildly, right, in the forest and all. मतलब ये wildly grow होता है, but environment damage की वजह से now it's really hard to find it. Alright, जैसे मैंने previous video मतलब sorry, in the previous slide I told you about that flamingo plant, right? I mean anthurium. It grows wildly. It can grow wildly in the forest or by itself as a, but and even like orchid, na? I've given the example like orchid, how anthurium it grows like orchid only. So same thing, even this also, it can grow wildly in the forest, but why? Environmental damage के वजह से, इसलिए आजकल मतलब वाइल्ड में नहीं दिखेगा ये प्लांट. Alright. और जो ये species है, it really love heat and humidity. जहाँ पर मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा what I'll say sunny area है. Alright, it really love that sunny and humidity area. Okay. But dislike जो direct like sunny area but not direct sunlight. Okay. Heat, humidity, fine, but not direct. Right? I hope you get it. The species love heat and humidity, but it dislike direct sunlight. Keeping it in your garden in temperate regions is not a good idea, and it will require less work if kept indoor. तो इसको ज़्यादातर prefer करते हैं indoor में, मतलब not only in the veranda but inside your house. Okay. So और एक बहुत interesting what I'll say interesting characteristic है इस plant का, कि जब evening होता है, so जो इसके leaves है वो बंद हो जाता है, it close by itself. Alright. So एक कहावत भी है कि the plant is also known, alright, for letting the owner know. मतलब जो उसका owner है, right, वो जानता है अच्छा now it's time to go to bed, अब सोने का टाइम है, क्योंकि इवनिंग में it leaves close by itself. So this is one very special characteristic of this flower. Okay. Even if there is no flower also, अगर flower bloom नहीं हुआ है, मतलब flowering period अभी भी नहीं हो रहा है, but the leaves only, it look very beautiful. Okay, it look very spectacular. Or the plant comes from Maratha family, like I said, Marathaceae, right? Family with many kinds of Calathea, and then Calathea crocata is special due to its beautiful flowering. इसका भी बहुत सारा मतलब Calathea का बहुत सारा species है, और ये Calathea crocata, it's one of the special varieties because of the beautiful flowering. Okay, you can see, like if you check on the net, you can see the leaves are like very beautiful, and some are like purple color and all, and how the flower, like in that purple leaf color, how the orange color flower blooms, right? So that's why. And then the name eternal flame, like I said before, it comes from what? येलो या फिर जो ऑरेंज कलर है फ्लावर का, जो रिसेंबल करता है या फिर थोड़ा सिमिलैरिटी है फ्लेम कलर जैसा. ओके, विच रिसेंबल द कलर ऑफ द फ्लेम. ओके, सो दे ग्रो ऑन टॉप ऑफ द स्टेम के ऊपर ही ग्रो करता है, एंड अ लिटिल हायर देन द लीफ. ओके, अ लिटिल हायर देन द लीफ. सो yeah, so this was about and then the flower, जो इसका flowering है I forgot to mention, it lasts for how many weeks या फिर how many months. The flowering, it lasts for 2 to 3 months. Alright, so you have to see all this, and it's really interesting plant. So yeah, so let me mention once again, the temperature, it like humidity and warm, but not direct sunlight. Okay, warm and humidity climate, and then not lower than 16 degree Celsius. Okay, room temperature ठीक रहेगा. If it get room temperature, it will be very good with a high level of humidity. Okay, and the temperature in the room, जो टेम्परेचर है रूम का, वो स्टेबल होना चाहिए और चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, ताकि वो जो फ्लावर है, जो ये प्लान है, ये अडेप्ट करे उस क्लाइमेटिक जो आपका रूम टेम्परेचर है. ऑलराइट, इट विल अडेप्ट. एंड लाइट, ब्राइट रूम बट नो डायरेक्ट सनलाइट, जिसे बोला लाइक हाउ आई हैव मेंशन बिफोर, नो डायरेक्ट सनलाइट, बट या ब्राइट रूम इट्स फाइन. ओके, एंड yeah, the watering also, like eternal flame, like it like to have an even amount of water, especially important during the summer month. Summer season में watering बहुत ज़रूरी है. And then when it's warmer, it all depends on the type of compost you use. Even the compost also, you can add compost to it. Alright, potting media, potting compost with peat moss. And then the water should drain easily. कि जो सॉइल है जो आप यूज़ करोगे, जैसे प्रीवियस एंथोरियम का भी मैंने मेंशन किया है, सेम यहाँ पर भी यू हैव टू सी द सॉइल दैट बहुत अच्छा ड्रेनेज हो. ओके, लाइक द वाटर विल गो वेरी नाइसली, विल एंटर वेरी नाइसली इन द सॉइल. सो एंड या फर्टिलाइजर यू कैन ऐड एवरी 2 weeks so that it will grow very nicely. और जो रीपॉटिंग है, जो बेस्ट टाइम है रीपॉटिंग का, लाइक दूसरे पॉट में इसको लाइक प्लान करने का, सो यू कैन डू इट इन द लेट जून. ओके, लाइक लास्ट वीक ऑफ जून, लाइक दैट यू कैन डू रीपॉटिंग. So yeah, so this was something about it. And even you can do propagation also, propagation that also in the late June only, like last 2 weeks of the June. And then so you can do the propagation, and even pruning also, you can do pruning. Alright, और इसके जो टोटल स्पीशीज है मरांटासी फैमिली में, ओके, जो कलाटिया है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 300 डिफरेंट स्पीशीज. और उनमें से एक है क्या, ये कलाटिया क्रोकाटा. ओके, So I hope you understand till there, and we'll continue with the other identification of the potted plant. I think only few are left now, and we will end it. We'll end this identification. So till then, if you have any doubt or if you want to know more, अगर और जानना है, so you can text me or you can just leave a message. Then I will like make a video again, or I can explain to you a particular, okay, जो particular question है. अगर question common रहेगा, then I'll make a particular video for that. But if not, then we will discuss more. We will discuss it. Okay. So till then, thank you everyone.